Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 15. Today's lesson number 4, picture graphs. So let's see what we have.
The picture graph shows the favorite subjects of a class. Draw a smiley face on the graph to show your favorite subject. Then interview 2 classmates and add their data. How many students responded to the survey? Which subject do most students like best? How many students like math or science best?
All right, let's have fun. This activity you can share with your friends, siblings, or family members, asking questions such as, what's your favorite subject? These are the title of your graph, and these are the subject you're gonna ask. So we have reading, math, science, social studies, and each answer you're gonna represent it with a smiley face. And then look after that, when you have this, look, see how many students respond or friends respond to the survey, how many students chose math or science as their best subject. All right, let's start our video.
How can you show data in a picture graph? Let's find out. The tally chart shows the favorite ball games of Ms. Green's class. You can show the same data in another way. Choose a symbol to represent the data. The symbol will be a stick figure. Each symbol represents one student. A picture graph uses pictures to show data. You can draw the symbols to show the data.
So this is the data we have. This is the information. So this is the title, favorite ball games, and these are the 3 games that we have: baseball, soccer, and tennis. We see baseball, we have 2 students chose baseball. For soccer, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and for tennis, we have 4. Over here, instead of drawing the picture, we're gonna represent each student with a symbol, which is the stick figure. All right, so we're gonna put 2 for baseball, 8 for soccer, and tennis we're gonna use for stick figures.
Look at the picture graph.
8 students chose soccer.
How many students chose tennis as their favorite sport? 4 students chose tennis. How do you know?
Because we see 4 stick figures, and each stick figure represents 1 student.
There are 4 stick figures in the graph, and each stick figure represents 1 student. How would you read the graph differently if each stick figure represented 2 students?
So each stick figure means 2 students. I have 2 stick figures. That's mean for baseball, I have 4 students. And for soccer, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 8, 10, 16. And then for tennis, I have 2, 4, 8, 10. So each stick figure represent or stand up for 2 students.
4 students chose baseball, 16 students chose soccer, and 8 students chose tennis. Why is a picture graph a good way to display data? The pictures are easy to see and count. How can you check if the correct number of symbols were drawn for each game? You can compare the number of symbols to the number of tallies for each game. They should be equal. Now you know how to show data in a picture graph.
All right, let's have more fun and do our guided practice activity in your book, page 654. Use the tally chart to complete the picture graph. Then use the picture graph to solve the problems. So this is the graph we have. Favorite colors, we have 3 colors: blue, red, purple. First color, blue. I have 5 children chose blue. For red, I have 6, and for purple, I have 3. Let's see the symbol we use. Each rocket or pencil stand for 1 volt. So we have 5 for blue, so we have 5. For red, we have, very good. So let's put this one. We have 6, so let's draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for purple, we have 3. So let's choose 3. Choose purple as their favorite color. Vote for this. Now let's answer the questions. Number 1, how many students like blue or red best? So let's see, blue or red. I have 5 and I have 6. 5 plus 6 equals 11. All right. Question number 2, what color is the favorite of the most student? So mean the color that it get more vote than any other. So I can tell that the red was loved and favorite and voted for comparing with the rest of the colors. So I'm gonna write the color red and put it down here. So it's really easy, having fun, just taking the information, put it in your graph and using picture to represent each vote or each selection. All right, I'll leave you with the rest of the activity, second graders, in your book, page 655 and 656. Thank you. Welcome back, second graders, for a new topic, a new lesson, our topic, topic 15, lesson 5. So let's start. Draw conclusion from graphs. Please open your book, page 657.
7 students voted for turtle as their favorite pond animal. 10 students voted for frog. 4 students voted for fish. Make a picture graph to show the data. Write 2 things you notice about the data.
All right, so these are the favorite pond animals, and these are the name of the animal. These are the title of the graph. So what we have here, 7 students voted for turtle as their favorite pond animal, 10 students voted for frog as their favorite, and 4 students voted for fish. So we have turtle, frog, fish. Each star vote or represent 1 vote or 1 voice. So that's mean for turtle, I'm gonna put 7 stars. For frog, I'm gonna put 10. And for the fish, I'm gonna put 4. So after that, write 2 things that you notice about the data. So you can write that which animal or which pond animals get most voted or least voted. All right, let's go and watch our video.
Look at the bar graph. What does it show? The length of each bar shows how many tickets each person sold.
The students sold tickets to the carnival.
How do you read the bars in the graph?
So this is the graph. This is the title of the graph, Carnival Tickets Sold. And these are the name of the students. And these are the numbers that each student sold, the numbers of the ticket that each student sold.
For each name, you look at the end of the bar to see which number it lines up with. Leah sold 2 tickets. Tino sold 1 ticket. Kim sold 5 tickets. Neil sold 4 tickets. You can also compare information. Who sold the most tickets?
All right. Easily, when I look here, I can tell that Kim sold the most. He sold 5 tickets.
Kim sold the most tickets. Who sold the least number of tickets? Tino sold the least number of tickets. How many more tickets did Kim sell than Tino?
So can easily see and compare. I see Tino sold 1 ticket and Kim sold 5 tickets. So Kim sold 4 tickets more than Tino.
5 minus 1 equals 4. Kim sold 4 more tickets than Tino. How many fewer tickets did Neil sell than Kim?
1 ticket, as we see, comparing with the 2 names and the numbers of the ticket they sold, the graph helped me to get the answer. So 1 ticket.
5 minus 4 equals 1. Neil sold 1 less ticket than Kim. Now you know how to read a bar graph and use it to compare information.
All right, let's go to our guided practice. In your book, page 658, see the exercise we have. Use the bar graph to solve the problems. Jake's coins, so Jake's collect coins, so we have pennies. I look at the graph and the color, and I know that stop at 5, so that's 5 pennies. Nickels, 3. Dimes, 3. Quarters, 7. So this is the title, this is the coins, and these are the numbers of each coin and how much he saved. So let's answer the first question. How many pennies does Jake have? Look at the pennies. I know it start from here, stop at 5. So if I use a different color, I can tell, just draw a line here to see that he saved 5. Let's see the next question. Jake spends 3 of his quarters. How many does he have left? So I'm looking at the quarters. Let me use a different color. How many? He has 7. All right. He spent 3. So now he has, very good, 4. I'm going to write my answer here. 4. So now Jake left with 4 quarters. He had first 7, but he spent 3. So he spent 3, and now he has 4 out of the 7 total that he had first or saved. I can also answer any question, like what if they ask which coins that he has equals, saved equals. So I can see the nickels and the dimes because they both he only saved 3. If I see which coins did he save the most, I can see that quarter was the most because he saved 7. All right, second graders, that was it for today's lesson. I will leave you with the rest of the activity in your book, page 659 and 660. Thank you.